Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's amazing tutorial, we're going to learn how to create a V2Ray VMess server account and set it up on Dark Tunnel VPN for a secure, private, and fast internet connection. In today's digital world, online security and privacy are becoming more important than ever. Many VPN apps claim to provide the best protection, but not all of them offer advanced customization features. That's where Dark Tunnel VPN becomes useful, because it allows users to import custom V2Ray VMess configurations for better security and performance. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create a free V2Ray VMess server account using OpenVPNSSH and how to connect it successfully inside Dark Tunnel VPN. Also, for more VPN updates, hidden tricks, and tutorials, make sure to visit our blog. Before we start, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open browser and visit OpenVPNSSH. First, open any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type OpenVPNSSH and press enter. You'll see several search results on your screen. Open the official OpenVPNSSH website. This website allows us to create different VPN protocols, including V2Ray VMess, SSH accounts, and more. Step 2. Open the V2Ray VMess section. Once the website loads completely, look for the menu icon on the homepage. Tap on the menu button, then click on the User section. Inside the User Services area, you'll see many different VPN protocols available. Since we want to create a V2Ray VMess account, click on the V2Ray VMess option. Now you'll enter the V2Ray VMess and VLS dashboard. From here, you can create both free and premium VPN servers. For this tutorial, we'll use the free V2Ray VMess server. Click on V2Ray VMess Free. Step 3. Choose server location. Now you'll reach the server location page. Here, choose any server location according to your preference. You can select the nearest country for better speed and lower ping. After selecting the server location, click on the Create User button. Step 4. Create your VMess account. Next, you'll be redirected to the account creation page. Enter a username for your account. After entering the username, click the Create User button again. Within a few seconds, your V2Ray VMess server account will be created successfully. Now the server details will appear on your screen. You'll see different connection links such as link TLS, link NTLS, link gRPC. Copy any one of these links depending on your preferred connection type. For TLS, link gRPC. Copy any one of these links depending on your preferred connection type. For most users, TLS provides better security and stability. Copy the link directly to your device clipboard. Step 5. Set up V2Ray VMess on Dark Tunnel VPN. Now it's time to configure the server inside Dark Tunnel VPN. Open the Dark Tunnel VPN app on your device. Once the app opens, go to the home screen. Now tap the 3 dots located in the upper right corner of the app. A menu list will appear. From the menu, click on Config File. Next, tap the Import button. After that, choose the Clipboard option. The VMS configuration you copied earlier will automatically import into the app within seconds. Once the configuration is imported successfully, go back to the main screen of Dark Tunnel VPN. Now simply tap the Connect button. Wait a few seconds while the app establishes the secure connection. And that's it. Your V2Ray VMess server is now connected successfully. You can now enjoy secure, private, and high-speed internet browsing using Dark Tunnel VPN. Conclusion. So that's how you can easily create a